Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Valsad location. It is from Gujarat. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for the unit manager position. It is from Turtle Mint and it is in the segment of life insurance. For this position, the candidates should have graduation in any stream and the salary will be open for a suitable person. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for the field engineer position, hardware networking. It is from SV Placement. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies are available from Hardik Naik Wealth Management. Like they are looking for the following positions like customer service officer. There is only one vacancy is available and for this position you must have BBA or BCom graduation. And for the position of wealth advisor, for this position only experienced candidates can apply and there is only one vacancy is available. And if you see the qualifications like BBA, MBA and BCom will be preferred. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job roles which I have mentioned here, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for the site technicians. It is from Luxoli Energy Private Limited. For these positions, like fresher candidates are eligible who have ITI diploma will be preferred in electrical, electronics or mechanical. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for the above job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job openings are available like for the position of transition manager technical, you are going to offer a salary up to 70,000 in hand per month and for this position the qualifications will be diploma or be in electrical or mechanical. And for the position of assistant manager in soft services, you are going to get a salary up to 45,000 in hand per month. And for the position of facility executive soft services, you are going to get a salary up to 25,000 per month. And for these positions, like the candidates must know Gujarati as a language. Interested candidates, if you are fit for any of the job roles, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the frontline sales manager for Health Bank Assurance and it is from Chola MS General Insurance. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for the branch manager position. It is from Fincare Small Finance Bank. For this position, like you must have 80 years of experience in suitable banking and only local candidates will be preferred. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for the service engineer. It is from Endeavour Instrument Private Limited. For this position, you must have 2 years plus experience in crane or goods lift industries and the qualifications will be ITI or diploma in electrical or welder or mechanical. And if you see the skills required, like you have to ready to travel 15 to 20 days per month and having good experience from crane industry first preference and you have to ready work at any height. And for this position, you are going to offer a salary from 15 to 18k per month and no bar for right candidate. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for the factory accountant position. Like for this position, you must have qualifications like BCom or MCom, and you must have 7 years plus experience in manufacturing industry, and you must have knowledge of TDS, TCS, and GST, and you must have computer knowledge, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. And for this position, like male candidates will be preferred. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, this is job opening for the plant in charge, like ETP, Effluent Treatment Plant. It is from Autul Ltd. And for this position, you must have BE qualifications in chemical or environment, and you must have 15 to 20 years of experience in this field. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.